Morning guys, welcome back to the channel, OGA Outdoors. If you're new, my name's Ben. I featured this trailer in a couple of my videos recently. I just got it a couple months ago, but I'm in a mad dash right now for some hickory. I've got a contract for some smoker wood, pretty big deal. So I'm running around right now trying to get hickory everywhere I can. So I've got some on the property here, but it's kind of wet to be working on it today. So I think I've talked to a friend, he's got some, so I'm about to make a little road trip and pick this up. But y'all stick around to the video today because I'm gonna make my first delivery on this contract tomorrow, and I'll show you what it is. I got some hickory, and there's some Greene, and a lot of it's been seasoned probably a couple of years. And I've also got some little cherry. They're gonna try some cherry, so we'll see how this works out. Okay, so I'm on my way to Huntsville, Alabama. I'm gonna make my first smoker wood delivery of hopefully many more to come this summer. I've got, hopefully we're gonna get a contract with this group, organization. I'll give you a hint. Let's just say play ball. I'll show you some more in a little while. Never had a fire in it?
That's brand new.
Brand new. They're gonna fire it up with some cherry and some hickory.
What yam smell? It's gonna be turkey legs. Turkey legs to start, and no sugar.
Okay, so here we are at Rocket City Trash Pandas Stadium. We left some wood over by their smoker. Like I said earlier, it's never been used. They're just gonna season it, put a fire in it today. We're gonna unload the rest of the wood back here on the side of I guess we're near the bullpen. There's a little entrance to the stadium here. But get all this unloaded, and they already want us to come back in a week, so we'll be back next Thursday. So we'll get this unloaded and we'll get on the road. Separated. I've got the greener hickory. I've got some really dry hickory. Some I have probably 2 or 3 years. It's been in the barn. It's never seen rain. And I've got some cherry. So we'll get it separated here, and they're going to try all three. So I'm still splitting on this trailer load of hickory. This is what I picked up yesterday. I went and got it. It was turned into pretty much a little adventure. I got stuck, had to get the guy to pull me out, but we made it back home safely. We got the hickory and the cherry delivered this morning there to the baseball field. They seem to be pretty pleased with what I brought them. They sent me home with some paperwork, so I guess they want to continue further. They told me to bring another load back next week, so I think he said they've got 69 games this season, so I don't know if they burn a truckload a week. We'll just see how it works out, but they just got their smoker, like I was telling you earlier. They just got it in a couple days ago, and they haven't even fired it up yet. So it's a learning experience for them as well, but it's going to be a fun year with this. Hope it works out good for all parties involved. And like always, if you like my videos, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, it helps me out. Hit that notification icon, that way you know when I put out new videos. And like always, I'll catch you on the next one. Really appreciate you watching, and thanks.